Hi there. Welcome back. In our previous session, we have to discuss about the all courses, right? And we have covered each and everything, like status, like showing. Okay. So now we have to work. Actually, looks like here order. Actually, like look at this. This is our live URL, and all of this data will be managed in here. Looks like in here. Look at that. So you can check for this orders data. That's simple, not to be complicated. Just grab the data from the database. I hope you will be understood. Now here we just go to VS Code and take action. Before to do this, we just remove. Here this is our sidebar. Here is this our manage codes. Okay, so what to do now? uh, Here is this will be the manage order. Actually, I just make some simple things. Look at that. Look at the set sidebar admin.order. Because of that, set sidebar is a global function. We just created in previously. Look at that's a global helper, and here is lot of file, and here is approve user get category. Look at that. This is the set sidebar. Okay, and this function will be call in here. Okay, actually you can learn a lot of my friend. Literally, this project is well organized. Not eventually, if you start for a beginner, and if you in this properly, you can learn a lot and start it of your uh, journey for Laravel developer. It will be best suitable framework, the trending framework currently. Lots of job in the job market. So if you are a fluent, so literally you can progress of your career aggressively. Okay, just keep humble request, step by step. Please follow, so it will be helpful. So now, oh, look at that. Here is a two things. Admin slider, not here. It's not actually admin slider. Application settings. Okay. Set sidebar. No, not slider. Right. You can you just change in here. Just put some route. Okay, and two things is the same: mail setting, stripe setting. So okay, we just manage it later. Okay, so don't worry. So now keep focus in manage order. Lot of things already have been completed here. Look at all order. I hope it will work. Now go to our web.php already. Make your order controller. It's fine, perfect. Go to order controller, and already lot of things. Order success. Need for the index file, right? But not the order controller, because order controller already created in here. So it's not. So not a order controller here. It will be the backend. Look at that. It's in here, and go to backend order controller. That's fine. Okay. There is this our index file. Suppose call the variable or payment, like payment latest. Okay, but we need to create it this file. So this is the backend and no created backend dot admin here. So created order. That's fine. And better. Nothing else. We just so similar for the category created index. Yeah. Similar it for once. Food. All orders. No need for the categories. Okay. Here is this table row. We not keep in here. We just make sure the table row look like in here. Okay, nice. Actually, no, all categories. Here is the all payments, not payment, right? Payments. Oh, that's okay. So here a better is just to remove for every TD. Just not needed. Okay, we just step by step first. First three things item index and created at. It's simple, just grabbing the data actually. Okay, uh, here is first. Then we just need for the total amount and payment amount. We just make it copy because of that it is very simple. Lots of time I will be showing here, but for finish the tutorial. Actually, this project is so much large, so nothing. So I have nothing to do. So it's simple and it's the same things we have to make showing in previously. Okay. So nothing is there is admin order show. Okay. Actually, how this looks like, I just this document. It's fine. It's simple. Nothing else is. So go to the browser. Just try to keep load once again. Yes, look at this. Manage order is coming. So place all orders. Yeah. Look at that. This is the order. Only one order. So is amount $50. This payment is tribe status complete. And here we just through the action. No action is created. I just created in. Look at this. This is the complete perfect date actually. Okay. So now go to the VS Code. Now here is one thing. So look at that. This is the created ad. Okay, but I didn't want to this that I am looking for more professional. So that's why is used for carbon. And here is this item has to created. Fine, fine. So now go to the backend controller, and backend controller means we have remained to one things actually show, right? So there is the payment where ID, this ID, order, and similar for order dot user order dot instructor and order dot go is the first one. And another will be the user info, look like user or email. This is payment info and put the email, and that's the first. Okay, and that's the return view backing dot main dot order. No, 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 no. Main is not actually main is not. It will be the admin dot order backing dot admin dot order. Dot view compact payment info, and with the user info. Literally, so that order. That's it. Just view for the data, nothing else. Okay. Okay, now this is our view.blade.php. So first of all, some extend the file, and here this is the end section. Okay, cool. Now actually this is the base content. Here is our div actually. Look like similar. Okay, go to the backend, and here just put into, yeah. So it's fine now. Not a all order. It's a view order. Perfect. Perfect. Hmm. Products. So details. I hope it's better. Now for we just keep two column. This in here. It's fine. We just for this simple div and look like it's a design part is nothing else. Here is this. This is the user info and the photo. Actually, who gives the order? Actually, course purchases for the user, and this user's photo actually in here for image user info the photo. Because of that, look at that. This is the user info. Okay, so payment info and the mail first. Okay, so here. mm, and some couple of information I have to pass in here for user information and like look like in here. Look at this name, email, phone. That's very simple and basic. Okay, or if you have any issues, so please directly knock via WhatsApp. I will try to respond as first as much as possible. And we need for another card, so better I just have to copy and paste. So one column is six, better one, the simple data just grabbing and it's nothing else. Actually, total payment, payment type, invoice number, order date, and and transaction ID is nothing. Okay, I just show you. Just keep reload. Look at that. 31 May 2025, 3:10 p.m. Okay, this is the perfect. And go to the action. What's the issue? This is the call to undefined relationship order model. Because of that, we just make a lot of relationship. I just check it. Relationship order on model. Okay, and here and go to the order wise order. Here is the payment and this order relationship. Oh, sorry, order.php. Oh, order.php is missing a lot of relationship. So better we just say user. And this relationship actually, if you look at that, this relationship is comes from in here. Look at it. This is the order user, order instructor, and order course. So that's why instructor course and another order is look like payment. It will be needed. So that's why I just create in here. If you follow this the database design, I just provide all of this database design accordingly after finish the tutorial, or if when I am available I just at the free time I just manage to create inter database relationship diagram, and you will be understand. It's not difficult actually if you need to practice and if you will understand. And here look at that, this is the with order. Look at the payment, go to the payment. There's also relationship about the payment. Okay, now the payment, and here is the also need to relationships of public function order. Okay, I hope everything will be clear. Now we also check once again. Okay, just keep reload once again. Okay, data will be came, but not get actually the user photo. Look at it, everything name Adnan, Adnan at example.com, Boston, and look at that. So we just make to try for this Adnan. Okay, let's check it. What the issue? Okay, password. Okay, the credential is there's a mismatch. Here is the Adnan, but when I go to the profile, oh, not work. Edit profile. Yes, yeah, this guy has no photo. So we just make user avatar and just cool and just save as. Yeah. Now go to in here, just place the photo and save change. Well done. Data will be changed and keep the reload in here. Look at that, name is Adnan, and here we just need to go to it is space actually. Okay. Okay, here is this the issue of the there is a view. Mm, so better MT5. I hope it will be okay and everything is fine. So order details will be the complete. And now in the next video we will try to make Google auth verification. Actually, uh, social login, Google login actually. Okay, so lots of friend I have to request already. So he just face the issue about the third party API integration like Google. So okay, we will cover the next section. Thank you so much, and humble request, if you are new, please like and subscribe of my channel, because humble request. And also if the video will be helpful, please comment mention below. Okay, so okay, thank you so much. Let's see for the next video.